Bo secures £4 million to transform robotic software, making programming simple and scalable. Robots are advancing fast, but programming them, that's still a challenge, until now. Enter Bo, a University of Sheffield spinout that's just secured £4 million to make robot programming simpler, faster and more accessible. Right now, coding a robot can feel like trying to get different operating systems to agree on anything. It's complex, expensive and slows down innovation. Bo's software development kit SDK fixes that. By bridging the gap between different robotic systems, Bo lets developers focus on creativity, not compatibility issues. Their platform works across multiple robots regardless of manufacturer and operating system, a game changer for the industry. With the robotics market projected to hit $260 million by 2030, Bo's universal platform could unleash the full potential of robotics. The £4 million investment led by Northern Gritstone and co-investors will help Bo grow its team and accelerate development, bringing us closer to a world where we program robots as easy as writing an app. Exciting times ahead for robotics and Bo is leading the way. And that's your robot news update for today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the future updates. I'm RoboPhil from Robot Philosophy and I'll see you next time.